we're having a water experiment for our Science Fun Day. Today we'll be exploring two concepts. First is our water refraction and second is our optical inversion. So let's begin.
We're gonna need water, a clear glass, some pattern paper, white paper, and a pen or a marker. First, let's get a sheet of paper and draw several arrows on it. I'm drawing alternating arrows in opposite directions. To make it easier for younger kids to understand, we can choose to just draw two arrows facing the same direction. Now let's place the glass of water in front of the arrow drawing. Look through the glass of water and watch what happens. Did you notice the arrows changing directions? Let's see that again. So how did that happen? This is called refraction, which is the bending of light. Refraction occurs when light travels from one medium to another. During this experiment, the light traveled from the image through the air, then through the glass cup into the water, and finally out of the glass cup and into the air once more before it reaches our eyes. This time, I'm using a pattern paper. Light refracts as it passes from one medium to the next because it travels at different speeds through those mediums. Light travels fastest through air, a little slower through water, and even slower through glass. Let's take a closer look. Since light travels at different speeds through various mediums, it means that the light bends once when it travels through the glass cup into the water, and then it bends again when it travels out of the glass cup and into the air. As a result, the light paths cross and the image appears to be flipped horizontally. This science concept is known as optical inversion. We can use other patterns as well. Or for fun, you can use your own pictures and see what happens when you put it behind a glass of water.
That was such a simple and fun way to explore water. I hope that you enjoyed our science experiment for today. This is your friend Joyce signing off for now and see you next time. Bye!